Hello, New Edge Tech here, and today I'm going to be helping you with your Internet Explorer problems. Okay, so a lot of times you'll get browser hijackers or something infecting your Internet Explorer that you just really want to avoid or get rid of if you already have. So I'll show you how to do that today. So you can see here that I have Internet Explorer open, and if you can get this open, if you can open Internet Explorer the regular way, I'll show you right now how to do it. So you'll click on this little cog, engine cog, or whatever that is, next to the favorite star. Click on that and go to Internet Options. You'll see right here, if your page is infected and it has a web page right here that you don't know or you're not familiar with, you can change it by just highlighting it and typing whatever you want, like google.com. And then as soon as you hit apply, it should put the HTTP in front of it. And then just don't forget to hit apply, after you type it. And then head over to the Advanced tab, and you'll go to Reset. Make sure this box is unchecked. Most of the time it won't be checked. And then just hit Reset. And what this does is it resets all the customization that the browser hijackers can do. And then it'll tell you that it needs you to close it and reopen it before the changes apply. And there we go. You'll see that I usually just do the use recommended security and compatibility settings. You'll also notice that the menu bar and the favorite bar, all that stuff is also just reset. Everything is reset to basics. You can add those again by right-clicking right up here next to the little tabs or next to the window, and then checking the menu bar and checking favorites bar if you have favorites that you want to, and the little command bar with the printer right here. Okay, now if your browser is really infected, sometimes you won't even be able to open it. So I'll show you the next way to get into it. So you'll open up Start menu. You'll go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, and then Network Sharing Center. And then right down here on the bottom left above Firewall, you should see a Internet Options. And that brings up that same menu that I was just explaining, that I was just showing you guys. Like I said, you click on Advanced, head over to here to Reset. You'll reset it. See, everything will be the exact same from those steps. You'll hit Reset, and you should be able to open it up again. Sometimes I have seen actual icons on the desktop be infected, or have it reroute you to a different screen, to a different home page, I mean. So if it's still doing it, you can always go down here and just type Internet. You'll see Internet Explorer. Click on it. Okay. The next thing you want to do to help clean up your browser while using Internet Explorer, I'll do some other videos on Google Chrome and Firefox. But for Internet Explorer, you want to click on the little engine cog again. Come down here to Manage Add-ons. Once you see this come up, over here on the left-hand menu, you can go down to Search Providers. Now here you'll probably see, if your browser is infected or something like that, you'll probably see a huge list of stuff. The only ones I like to keep are Google and Bing. And just because they always have the best search results, I actually like to set Google as my default. The reason it wasn't is because we reset all the settings, like I told you guys. If you don't see Google or Bing on here, or you want something else, down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see Find More Search Providers. go ahead and click on that. Okay, so once we have this menu open, we'll scroll down here. And like I said, I like Google. You're free to use whatever you'd like. I I would stay with Google. It tends to show me the best results towards the top. With Bing, I have to sort of search through and find what I'm looking for down in the middle. And then add to Internet Explorer. And then make sure you check this, make this my default search provider. And then just hit upgrade. And like I said, you can, it's all personal preference from here, but you can get Bing if you like Bing. And then make this default, and then click upgrade. Okay, let me just add these on really quick. Okay, now if you're still getting redirected and your page is still not the home page that you're selecting, you can download a tool that's called Revo Uninstaller. It's something I would recommend to use on search engines, stuff like that, and I'll show you how to get that tool very easily without any add-ons, stuff like that. I use nite.com. That's NINITE.com. Okay, it depends on your screen resolution. You might have a little scroll bar down here if you don't see all the options. But like I said, you can see that you can get a lot of good stuff here. I really like this site. What we're looking for is utilities. Utilities right here. Find that little sub menu, and then find Revo. Check the box, and hit Get Installer. Just hit Run if your computer asks you if you want to allow it. Yes. There we go. It's quick and simple. Okay, so you'll open up Revo Uninstaller and come through here and look for things that are similar to what you're finding on your home page. So say if your browser hijacker is called Trivio, I know is one. There is also I mean there's a whole list of them. But if you find it in here, don't just go start uninstalling stuff because your computer does need some of these softwares. But go down the list, look for the one that you were looking for. Sometimes it'll just say website or web page redirect or stuff like that. I'll go ahead and uninstall one to show you. Right down here you'll see loading, and if it's still loading, that means that there's still more icons coming up. So give it just a minute. Alright, once everything's loaded, you'll see that you can click on any of these, right click and hit uninstall. Yes, you're sure. Go to next step. Sometimes this can take a little bit. It'll go through and find every single item left in in the registry in your computer and delete it, because a lot of the browser hijackers won't actually let you go into the control panel and delete things. So this is a very good, thorough tool to remove things from your computer and just kind of clean it out. I'll be posting another video on how to clean up your computer, because that's a whole nother thing, and that'll take a while. Okay, some of the programs, when you delete them, they'll pop up a little window, internet window. You can just exit those out. Hit next, and this is the actual step where it's scanning your registry for the leftovers and stuff like that. So this one might take a little bit. This is the longest step, so it might take a minute, but once it's done, you'll hit next. I usually just hit select all, don't worry about any of this stuff. It won't delete anything you really need or anything really important. And then hit delete. Yes, you're sure? Then hit next. Finish, and it's deleted. Let me show you the site that I use just to double check on some of the things that you're not sure if it's an actual infection program or infected program or software that you didn't want or don't need. Okay, and that is shouldiremove.com. This is the website that you'll see. And then you'll just type the program name in here that you don't want or that you think might be bad. And let's see, what's a good one that I could try? So let's just say, I'll look up the antivirus that I have, AVG. And then once you type in the program, hit search, it'll come up on a list of how many users remove it. 10% of users. Usually anything's good unless it's high yellow or red. A lot of people will review things and like this, virus packages. Right here you'll see 89% removed. That doesn't mean it's specifically bad, but a lot of the time it'll be adware and stuff like that. So this is another really helpful website. Okay, and once you find it, you can just go back to your Revo uninstaller, bring it up, and uninstall it if you don't want it. Like I said, don't just start deleting everything you see or things that you don't know, because it could be something your computer needs to operate. And you don't want to be one of those guys that just goes through and deletes everything that you need and you didn't know you needed it. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Bye.